we have just seen in the previous class the basic realization block diagram and what are different advantages of representing the digital system in the block diagram is by inspection the computation algorithm can be written, or the hardware requirement can be easily determined, or a variety of block diagram representation can be easily developed from the transfer function, and the relation between input and output can be easily determined. Now there are two types of structures are there, canonic and non-canonic forms or the structures. If the number of delays in the realization block diagram is equal to order of the difference equation, then the structure is known as canonic form of the structure. Otherwise, यदि order of the filter is not equal to the number of delay, it is known as non-canonic structure. So now we will see what are different basic structures for IIR systems. And these IIR systems are characterized by the constant coefficient difference equation जो भी हमने देखा था, and we can see that the realization of IIR impulse response system involves a recursive computational algorithm, and we will be focusing on the important filter structures known as direct form 1 and 2, cascade and parallel forms of realization for IIR systems. Now let us see what is the direct form realization of IIR system. This is the simplest form, and we have seen the equation is the standard form, the equation of the this is the standard form equation of the filter. So by inspection of this equation, the block diagram representation can be drawn directly from the direct form realization, and the multipliers in the feed forward path are numerator coefficient, and multipliers in the feedback paths are the negatives of the denominator coefficient. Since the multiplier coefficients in the structure are exactly the coefficients of the transfer function, it is known as direct form structure. Now this direct form is also having types, direct form 1 and direct form 2. So let us see what is direct form 1. The digital system structures here this is direct form 1 block diagram, you can see it on the screen. So we were discussing about the digital system structure determined directly from this equation just we have discussed is known as the direct form 1. In this case, what happens, the system function is divided into two parts and connected in the cascade, zeros and poles. First part is only zeros and followed by the parts containing poles. So intermediate sequence Wn is produced or introduced. A possible IIR direct form realization can represent the outputs of the first part and input to the second. This is in the cascade. H1 is zeros, H2 है poles, Wn is the function, special intermediate sequence, and Xz is the input and outputs of the first part will be taken as input to the next part, that is output of H1z will be the input of H2z. So this is the possible direct form realization. And Wn equation, it is sigma k is equal to 0 to m v k x of n minus k, and if we take the transformation yn is equal to sigma k is equal to 1 n a k y of n minus k plus wn. This is the equation of yn has been derived from this block diagram, and there are two terms. See, one is wn and this hy of n minus k is the delayed one. So by taking the z transformation of wn, we will be getting wz is equal to xz of sigma bk is into z to the power minus k, and yz का z transformation. So yz is equal to wz upon 1 minus sigma k is equal to 1 to n ak z to the power minus k. Now direct form realization of the nth order difference equation. This is the direct form realization and here you can observe that the right side part is H2Z and the left side part is H1Z. So here W1 is the intermediate part, or you can say the intermediate sequence, and it is how the block is drawn for the nth order. You can see the order. This is first order. X of n minus k is produced, x of n minus 1 is produced by single delay, then by second delay x of n minus 2 is produced. The bk coefficients are there, and here the x of n minus n, nth order part, and then similarly for output stage also one delay there is incorporated. Y of n minus 1 is generated. After second delay y of n minus 2 sequence, and so on up to y of n minus n sequences are generated. And in this way we have to calculate now by observing the difference equation given values of the arbitrary constants a, k and b k's. So let us try to solve some numerical. This is the numerical that we are going to discuss about. Now develop a direct form 1 realization of the difference equation. Yn is equal to b0 xn b1 of xn minus 1 b2 xn minus 2 b3 xn minus 3 a1 y of n minus 1 minus a2 yn minus 2 minus a3 yn minus 3 system. So if we take the inverse, if we take the z transformation of the equation, given equation, and if we determine the transfer function, how we can do this? We will be taking the z transformation of the complete equation given yn, both the sides LHS and RHS का दोनों का equation z transformation we will take, and then we will determine the ratio yz by xz, and it will giving us the transfer function hz. So from the given equation we will be having the transfer function as b0 plus b1 z inverse plus b2 z to the power minus 2 plus b3 z to the power minus 3 upon 1 plus a1 z inverse plus a2 z raised to minus 2 plus a3 z to the power minus 3. So this filter is of order 3, and let us see how to draw the filter, how to design the block diagram or the direct form 1 realization, how it can be done. So देखिए b0 के साथ नो डिले इज देयर. सो पहले ये न्यूमरेटर देख लेते हैं, एंड देन वी विल सी द डिनोमिनेटर. सो b0 प्लस 1 डिलेड z इनवर्स है, तो 1 डिले विल बी देयर. b1 z इनवर्स के बाद b1 इज देयर एंड इट इज़ एडेड. सो b1 z इनवर्स, ये हमारा सेकेंड टर्म न्यूमरेटर. दिस इज़ अवर इक्वेशन. सो फर्स्ट टर्म वॉज b0, सेकेंड टर्म है b1 z इनवर्स, b1 z इनवर्स, यहाँ मल्टीप्लिकेशन b1 का z इनवर्स के साथ. थर्ड टर्म का b2, एक और देखिए अब b2 के साथ में टू डिले z1 एंड z2, ऊपर वाला z1 एंड देन नेक्स्ट. सो z टू द पावर minus 2, and b3 with b3 there are 1 2 and 3 z inverse delays, so z to the power minus 3. Similarly for the denominator 1 plus a1 के साथ में z inverse 1, इसमें निगेटिव ये चूँकि ये फीडबैक, if the direction is opposite the sign will be 1 plus, and then why we have taken 1 plus 1 minus sum of all the zeros and sum of all the poles we have taken. That's why denominator में we will be considering the pole part. So 1 minus सारे poles थे तो यहाँ सारे plus में आ जाएंगे, इसलिए sign of a1 is minus, a2 का भी minus, a3 का भी minus है. And in this way the equation can be realized in the direct form 1.